Weather from where you live.
Now we're tracking some rain showers coming up from the south right now. They're light, and occasionally there's a little bit of snow mixing in here as temperatures are dropping into the low to mid 30s. You can see these north of Crawfordsville, Linden, Romney, south of Attica, and also northern Tippecanoe County. Now moving into northwest Carroll and southern White County, everything's drifting to the northeast. But the more substantial precip is up here around Chicago and over southern Michigan. And what will happen, the core of the storm is here. You see how everything's wrapping around it? As the core moves right overhead tonight, all this up near Chicago and in southern Michigan will wrap around and come our way. This will come in from the west tomorrow morning, and this is going to be snow. And with that, some accumulation. It may come down at a high enough rate to accumulate mainly on grassy and elevated surfaces. Most of the roads will be wet, but you can't rule out at least some slushiness on roadways. So we'll have steady snow tomorrow morning. It'll be a slushy, wet, gloppy snow at that, with temperatures 32, 33, and then we get kind of a rain-snow mix. And it may go back and forth. It may rain for a while, then it's all snow for a while, then it's kind of mixed up afternoon into the evening, and it'll be a pretty windy day. So it's going to feel colder than the high of 35. Wind chills dropping into the 20s. On Sunday, just a couple very isolated, very spotty little flurries or a couple sprinkles around, but it's going to be a gray, kind of gloomy day. 30 in the morning, a high of 35, and that west-southwest wind at 10 will make it feel more like upper 20s to around 30. Watch the snow. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, and this is 6. Here comes the snow wrapping in from the west. Again, the storm center at that point will be north of our area. So it'll kind of come in on the underbelly of the center of the low pressure. So here comes the snow. This is 7:30, and this is 9:30 in the morning. This is light to occasionally moderate snow. By 11 a.m., though, already we're starting to mix a little rain, and it's a mix of rain, snow, and some places all rain, some places all snow in the area by midday. Towards evening, it may quickly switch back to some snow for a while, and then things kind of taper off tomorrow night. Much of the area is looking at a near 1 inch of wet, gloppy accumulation. There may be a few places that get near 2 or a hair more than that. Best chance of getting 2 inches or a little more than that would be right here in our far northern or far northwestern counties. In terms of rainfall, perhaps upwards of 1/3 of an inch in some parts of the area. So no big heavy rainfall is expected to bump the rivers back up again. And then really Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there'll be a few isolated, a little spotty rain or snow showers around at times. Gloomy weather, not a lot of heavy rain or snow at that, but a little bit around. The next big system we'll have to watch will be coming up from the southwest. This could bring rain and snow into the area at the end of next week. Normal high is 34. We'll be at 37 by Monday. 38 on Tuesday, and then around 40 Wednesday and Thursday. Two takeaways from this. The best chance of getting any sun for the next 8 days is kind of evolving from Monday morning. And the next widespread precip event, other than tomorrow, would be Friday night of next week, and then that next Saturday with rain and snow around.
So this weekend, you said the big takeaway, sun on Monday. So this weekend, just no sun.
It just gloom, a lot of gloom, but you know what? February is not far away.
How are you supposed to enjoy the city? The beautiful Greater Lafayette, no sunlight.
I know.
Okay.
It's like Seattle.
Seattle, that's not good, though.
Seattle's beautiful. And it's
Sure,
very
but I'd rather have the sun here. I'm really glad we're both wearing our blue ties, too.
I know, I like that.
Kind of brings out the nice background behind us, Chad.
Yeah, you match it well.
7-day forecast, not looking too hot, but thanks.